Okay. And once you will know what is data, then we will just touch up few of the topics here today and tomorrow. Today, basically, I'm just going to show you what are the syllabus and all these things. Okay, what I'm going to cover, as well as how you can do more and more practice. Okay, so let's try to first understand what is data, and then we'll keep moving forward. Okay, so data is basically fact and figure about any object, any organization. Got it? But if we know only the data, it's not going to work. We have to know how we can manage it. Manage in the sense how we are going to store the data, how we can modify it, and how we are going to utilize it. So when you are going to learn DDL, DML, TCL, basically you are going to manage the data. Means you are going to store the data, you are going to manipulate the data, and you are going to make the change permanent. That thing I am going to teach you in DDL, DML, and TCL. Got it? And what is SQL? Why we need SQL? In these two topics, you are going to learn how you can use SQL and why it's needed. After that, I will teach you how to get data from different objects in database. So in database, there will be a lot of objects. How we can utilize data from multiple objects. And all of you might have learned functions, right? There are a lot of algebraical functions, aggregate functions. So these functions also we have in SQL, and that you are going to learn under this section. Got it? And we will provide you some of the videos where you can just get detail about these courses. Okay. Before going to data and all these things, if any one of you want to speak about data, what it is, and what is use of that, that will make class very much interactive. And my style of teaching, guys, is not college style teaching. Here we will teach you in the style of A for apple, B for ball, that style. Okay. So all of you have to interact with us. If you have any answer, whatever I'm going to ask you, and then any suggestions also. So any one of you aware about what is data all about? Anyone? And you can message also, that should be absolutely fine. One of you are saying, sir, these 2 days will be enough. No, it will not be enough. Here you are just going to get some idea about SQL. Let me give you one example, guys. Suppose you want to, okay, so one of you answered me that a small collection of facts and figures. That's good. Okay, so I got your answers, Sindhu. And I got answer from Kohli also. That's good. So guys, let me give you one example here. Suppose you want to drive a car, right? And if someone is saying, hey, you know what? In one day, I will train you in driving, and from second day, you will start driving on highway. That is not logical. And of course, in 2 days, it's not possible. But here in 2 days, you will get to know the importance of database learning, especially SQL. What is data? What is use of data? And how it is going to be very important in your career. Let me give you an example. All of you might be knowing or heard about AI, right? AI is having boom right now, and you guys will surprised to know AI is going to add millions of job in US and many millions in India in coming 3 to 5 years. And whoever are working on old technologies, they are going to lose job. Okay, so technologies are going to change, and there will be few types of resources who will survive this storm. Which resource? Resource who know how to manage data. Because see how AI works. Basically, AI need data. Got it? And that too also huge volume of data. So that's where SQL comes in picture. So that's the back end of AI, and front end of AI is Python. Got it? So basically, who know both, their job will be very much secured. But to knowing both, you guys will have to make good plan and then learn. And if any one of these technology you guys are knowing, that's good enough. But you have to do some add-on on that. Got it? That's why this database is going to be very, very important. And you guys might be not aware. Yesterday, one of the biggest technology deal happened of 300 billions between one of AI company and one of database company. You guys can check the news. And that's where this database SQL and all is going to be very key factor in your future. Got it? So just give me a minute, guys. Okay. So any one of you have any question, concern so far?
No, sir.
Okay. And just to answer you, see, this 2 hours course is not good enough to explain everything. Okay. Shravan, can you go on mute, please? Okay. So just give me a minute, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. There we are a little bit disturbance. One of the guy we are not able to mute themselves, so we are just trying to sort it out. Okay, so any one of you having any point, or go ahead, please.
So we go ahead.
Okay, so one guy was saying that how it's going to be sufficient 2 days. So let me show you one thing, guys, here. Uh, Let me show our learning portal and I will show you how much detail it is. Let me share. So see, if you will talk about how much you need to learn in SQL. So basically, there are four levels of learner in industry. Okay. Whoever is working on just Java or C++ and all these, they just need to have intermediate SQL knowledge. Got it? Whoever work in like QA or like BA, business analyst and all, they can be like level 3 level of knowledge. But the ETL developer, database developer, data scientist, or AI developer, they need to have very much pro in SQL. Got it? So we get lot of candidates having different their goal, demand, and all these things. So we train them as per that. Now, what is there in level one basically? Level one is having, and we teach everyone on journey basis. Okay. So each level will have lot of topics, and each topic we call it as 1 mile or one journey. Got it? For an example, who are college students in second year, third year, and especially, in US, this database, Python and all, people learn from high school and middle school level also. In India and a lot of other countries also, it's getting started, and many schools have that. So basically, the college students or whoever working in Java and all these things, they need to have level one knowledge. Means what is SQL, what is database, writing SQL queries, working on some of the single row functions and all these. Level 2 is intermediate level where they have to have doing these many topics, aggregate, join, single row functions and all these things, DDL, DML. Whoever want to work as QA, business analyst and all, they need to know more analytical function. Then you guys will say, hey, what is analytical function? Analytical function is, suppose I want to get top three guys who are having highest salary. Got it? So in industry, basically, we do lot of regression or lot of reportings and all these things. That time it is needed. And level 4 is basically for the masters, means whoever is working as an ETL developer or want to work as data scientist or want to work in AI side and all, they need to have very, very good in database also, because they have to just play with data itself. Got it? In AI also, what we do basically, we feed lot of data, and based on that, machine takes decision. And when they take decision, and if it is correct, they again store that particular data in the machine. And that's how machine gets trained more and more. Got it? So this level 4 is basically for the person who want to go at that level. Got it? So basically, we will not able to do all these things in 2 days. Mostly, I will focus more on level 1, just to have some idea about what is data, how you can get data from database and all these. Got it? So that's the overall topics, guys. And for each topic, actually, we have here recorded videos, and then you will have lessons here to learn each topic, what it is, how it works, and all these. And the method of teaching is we have 50% of contents are picture and 50% contents are text. And then after every topics, you will have to like attend exam, and you will have assignment to do. Got it? So for an example, if you want to do assignment for this topic, you will start assignment and you have to keep putting the answer. So we'll talk about much more detail on tomorrow about how you can learn more and more. But let's try to focus to gain some idea about database. Okay. If any one of you have any question, concern, you can ask me anytime.
Sorry, sir.
Are you
Can
guys
you
Sir,
able
one
to
question
repeat?
ahead.
are you guys able to see my desktop or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's talk about what is
Sir,
data all about. Yes, go ahead,
sir,
please.
sir, I am asking you one question, please.
Sure.
Sir, first of all, I am Vyom Agarwal. Sir, one question is arise in my mind that कि data analyst या data scientist के लिए coding is most important.
Correct. Yes, you have to do much more coding also, and you will not have drag and drop tool there much. In ATL world, if you are working, you will have drag and drop tools like we teach Informatica, Azure Data Factory, and all these. But if you are going to work as a data scientist, you have to do much more coding. Okay. But whoever are new, actually, they have to first focus on learning basic things. And these are the two basic things. First, start with SQL, and then second topic is Python. These two things you guys have to learn first, and must learn actually in this current job scenario.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So guys, when I
Okay.
was showing the Vani portal, all of you have seen that, or it was not sharing, because there is some disturbance happening in internet in US and India because of wire cut happened in Arabian Sea 2 days back. So all of you, we are able to see my screen or no?
Yes, sir.
When I was explaining this Vani portal, this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir, we
good.
can see.
Okay, so let's go ahead as per our plan, and
Sir,
let me give you some idea about
excuse me, sir.
database and all. And tomorrow we'll do some freehand practice on SQL. Okay, it's very interesting technology, and it is kind of English type of language. Anyone of you know SQL in this class? Anyone?
Yes, sir, we know basics.
Okay.
Little bit knowledge about this.
Got it. Okay, got it. So let's talk about first the data. So what happens, suppose if you are going to gather some fact and figure about any object, any person, any organization, then you are going to kind of store somewhere. So what was happening in old era, people were storing data in notebook and all these things, right? And when you are going to use that basically data, that becomes information. Got it? So if we are talking about data, so any number, facts, observation, graph, all these comes under data. But when basically we use all these things, that becomes one of the information. For an example, suppose in our organization, there are few guys here. For an example, one of the guy name is Mukul Jain or Prabha or Priyanka, right? So when we talk about these guys, so what is her name? What is designation? What is email ID? And what is her salary and all these things? This is basically data. Got it? But once you collect the data, right? Now what I want to know, hey, to whom I am paying maximum salary out of these four guys, who is getting much more salary? So you will see my name here, right? I am the one who is taking 10,000 per month. So when you do that, when you process the data, it becomes information. Got it? Now, what is SQL? So let's talk about the same example again. How we are going to store these data and where we are going to store. One way is we can store the data into Excel sheet, right? And then in Excel sheet, once we'll have these four guys data, then I'm going to check one by one. Okay, let me see. Mukul's salary is 4,000. Now Prabha is 4,000. Priyanka is 5,000 and me is 10,000. So now when I will compare, looks like my salary is max, right? So either you do manual work or you can prefer this same work by machine. When you prefer to do it by machine, that's what is called a structured query language. But where we store this data actually? This data we store in a tabular form. Got it? It's like Excel sheet where you will have row and column. And any one of you can tell me what is that tabular form object name in database? Anyone, if any one of you have little bit idea, you can see this tabular form, right? Where there is name, designation, email, manager, and salary. And in database also, it's get stored like this itself. Any one of you can tell me what is this kind of tabular form object name in database?
Attributes. So like the attributes.
So basically, attributes is your column in that, right?
Yes, sir.
And we call entity, that's kind of high level when we start learning. But inside the database, what it is called? this type of object who store the data. No problem. So this is called table. Got it? So in table, you will have columns and each column will have data. Got it? Now, main thing is how you can store the data. So you can see here, this is your database actually. Database normally it goes with cylindrical structure. And in database, the table will be stored in tabular form. Got it? The data you saw here, this one. So this table will be stored in, the data will be stored in table and table will be stored in database. Got it? So now you know what is database, what is table, but if you have to put some data into the table or you will have to create table also. So whenever we go and create the table, that is called DDL, Data Definition Language. Priyanka, have you logged in into Insta?
Yes, sir.
You can make ready that DDL and DML video will show everyone so that they will understand better.
Okay, sir.
Got it? So whenever we are going to create the table, that comes under DDL. What is DDL? Data Definition Language. So basically, if you will compare house construction, so this comes under DDL. And if you are going to put a stuff and all, that comes under DML. Let me quickly run one short videos just to make it more understandable. So Priyanka, can you share your desktop and run that Insta a small reel actually quickly? Or will we have video on YouTube also, right? So guys, here my main goal is not to do very silly, serious learning. 99% of teachers just teach you and they will become very serious, right? That, okay, now the learning starts, then one by one, all the PPT will go on and you guys will become very bored, right? Here, our main goal is to learn while doing fun. And you guys like too much reels, right? I know that. And I also watch too much reels. And when I start watching it, hours and hours simply goes, right? So I know all of you might be watching lot of reels, right? So let's watch one reel quickly here. You can go to maybe YouTube or here it will be much more faster. Yeah, I'm in New Jersey, guys. Okay, maybe you can go to YouTube and then run the video, Priyanka. Let me run that video for you guys. Just give me a minute. Priyanka, can you make me presenter so that I can share the video here? So guys, if anyone are thinking that, okay, you are going to be having very serious learning, of course, there will be much more effective learning, but it will not be very serious learning. Okay. So let me just show you one quick video here. all of you are able to see my screen, right? And guys, we are putting quizzes daily basis, like 10 quizzes basically. Um, five quiz every day on 7 technologies. So when we are going to start teaching you guys, you can also go ahead and do the quizzes answers, and it will make you self preparation for interviews. Okay. So here are these quizzes basically on different technologies, and you can just go and keep doing quizzes on daily basis. Bianca, you can go on mute, please. So now I was just talking about one of the video guys just to understand better what is SQL and how it works. Got it? So let me just run this guy.
You see this empty land, quiet, still, waiting. Then comes the blueprint, a vision, just like a create command in SQL. In SQL, create is where your structure begins, just like laying the foundation for a house. You decide the shape, the rooms, the materials. Every table is a design. You're the architect. Create transforms your vision into something real, from empty land to structure. In SQL, you don't just write queries, you manifest them. Want to learn how to build databases like an architect? Join the full SQL journey with Varney Tech.
Okay, so basically, whenever we talk about create or just alter or drop, means whenever you are going to create the table or you are going to make any changes or you want to completely remove that table, all these comes under DDL. And DML is whenever you are going to insert data into that, whenever you are going to modify some data into the table, all these comes under DML. Got it? And there are a lot of more videos actually on our Insta channel and all these. If you guys don't know our channel, you can just put VAANII and you will get lot of funny videos there. You will not get serious learning, but you guys can enjoy watching these reels. Now, you guys understood data, and what I'm going to do in the next class, I'm going to teach you guys SQL, that how it works, how you can write, and I will show you some of the data in database also, how you can get the data and how you can manipulate the data and all these things. Okay. And we'll give you access on our learning portal tomorrow, just for level 1, and all of you guys can go and try your hand there. We have a lot of recording sessions, assignments, questions, and all these things. So you guys can just go and try once. Okay. So let me quickly walk you through regarding just high level SQL things. So all of you know DDL, DML. TCL is whenever you put some data in table, right? Then you have to say, hey, do you really want to put data into the table or no? So if you will say yes, it will make it permanent. This is what is TCL. Now, if you have to get data from multiple tables, that's where we do join. Got it? And if you have to get data from both table or only matching data or just non-matching data, so these types of joins we have. And after that, once you know join, Then we are going to do some of the functions, like how to change data into uppercase, lowercase, and all these, and some analytical functions. Got it? So this is what our plan, guys, for tomorrow. Tomorrow it will be kind of 1.5 hour class where we'll do some hands-on on SQL. And if you feel interesting that SQL, do more and more study on SQL, not through us, but wherever you get chance in your college or any tutor or any institute. Okay? Any question, concern, any one of you guys? So let me go through some of the questions you guys asked. This is Q&A session now. So yeah, we will share the recording on YouTube itself, guys. On YouTube, just go to Vani, Vaanii, and we'll put the video there saying that September 2025 SQL Bootcamp under that section.
Sir,
Okay?
it's in live
Yes.
section also. We have live right now in YouTube also.
Okay, yeah, we are live also, so you guys can just go and check it out later. And yeah, live interactive session will do that. Whenever you guys will have any question, and so we'll do tomorrow.
Sir, how can we attend the assignments?
We'll give you access on label 1 tomorrow. Okay. So you
Okay,
guys
sir.
can just go there and do the assignment. Basically, there are two types of section in one. If I can show you quickly, let me go to my courses and see if I will go to suppose basic laws, though I have not taught you yet, but let's see. So there are two sections basically, exam and assignment. When you will do assignment and submit the assignment, suppose you are writing some answer and all, and once you will go to fifth question and submit it, then it goes to teacher actually. And then they will look into your answer and check it out. Exam is objective type of questions where you will go and put your answer, and once you will submit till 4, instantly it will show you how much you got it. So one of the website we are going to make live tomorrow. So we'll show you that website, and you will get a lot more dashboard options and all there. So that's how you can do assignments here. Okay. Let me get some more questions from you guys. Okay, so today we are just going to end now
Hello, sir.
itself, guys. And tomorrow, let's join at same time,
Hello, sir.
and we'll go for 1.5 hour. Yeah, go ahead, please.
Sir, I'm Syed Asjad from the Department of AID. Sir,
Can you,
I have a question, sir. Can you provide internship after this class, sir?
can you please repeat, Sayed?
It is audible?
Yeah, you are
Uh,
audible.
yes, sir. I'm passionate about AI, AML, sir. Can you provide
Sure.
internship after this workshop, sir?
Yeah, so we provide internship in US. So are you in
Okay, sir.
US or in India?
Sir, I'm in India, sir.
Okay, we are going to start there also very soon. For time being, right now here we have classroom, so where people come and do internship. But in India also, for time being, it's just online,
Okay,
and we'll do maybe from next year there too.
because I'm in third year, sir. That's why I'm asking now.
Sure, no problem. For time being, you can attend our classes online and do all the
Okay,
assignments and all.
okay, sir.
Sir, there is no online internships.
Today there is no any assignments. Tomorrow, once I will teach, then you guys can go ahead on our LMS portal and start doing assignments.
No, I'm not asking about assignments, sir. I'm asking about internships.
Internship in India, we don't have right now. We have in US for
Uh,
OPT,
in,
CPT candidates. Go ahead, please.
She said online.
I'm asked, that I'm saying that there is an online internships or only
Online,
offline.
yeah, online internship we have, yes. So you can attend the course and there will be a project also for each courses. Yes, it's there.
Yeah, sir,
What
I'm
I was
asking.
talking about
Sir,
yeah, go ahead, Ravili.
I want to participate in online internships, sir, so that
Sure. So
when the internships will start, sir.
we are going to start a fresh internship batch after a week. So Priyanka will coordinate with you. And right now we are going to do on two technologies. One is on Cloud ETL, that's Azure, ADF, and Databricks. And other one is IDMC. So we'll talk with you, and whoever you want, you can enroll into that. So Priyanka will
Thank you,
call
sir.
you regularly.
Okay, thank you, sir.
No problem. Anyone else having any question? No? Okay. So guys, let's join tomorrow and we'll go ahead. Plus, if you want to attend quizzes on daily basis, either you can just go on YouTube or Insta. Every day you will get 5 different technology quizzes. SQL, Python, we are doing on daily basis, and Databricks, and Azure, Unix, and all also quizzes come on alternate basis. Okay. So we'll see you all tomorrow and we'll do some hands-on on database SQL. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thanks all of you guys and we'll see
Thank
you
you.
tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you all.